Hello everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to iFix Electronics. In today's video we have Samsung A20s. No backlight issue. We are going to test some lines that is responsible for backlight problem. One anode line. Check in diode mode. Anode line diode value is good. To confirm, check in forward mode.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Second line is cathode.
Yeah, unaware. Keep moving like the
Cathode is also okay.
in there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the
Now PWM or CABC line.
everything.
PWM is short to ground.
Stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. I prayed for
According to the testing, PWM line is faulty.
you, chase away my fears. I'm on my own. You made it so
Now remove shield to access light IC.
I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you've got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
PWM line is connected to the light IC. In this case, we need to change light IC.
So why not to keep you?
Apply some flux and remove light IC. Check again to make sure there is no other fault in PWM line. Line is good. Now replace light IC and test. Replace light IC. Test again. PWM line shorting is gone. Put display and test. Successful repair. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe for more repair videos. Get your device repaired at iFix Electronics Sint Mart.